Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Coming to today's video, let's start an energetic day with an extremely special exercise, which is jumping rope. Jumping rope is a very familiar exercise to each of us. This is an extremely effective calorie-burning exercise that helps reduce body fat. In addition, jumping rope properly also helps enhance the development of bone and cartilage, helping to improve height and appearance. So this is a very suitable exercise for us to practice every day and for beginners. Start exercising. With such miraculous weight loss effectiveness, why don't we spend about 10 minutes together to do this exercise? Without making you wait too long, let's warm up our bodies and start practicing together. Before starting the video, press the like and subscribe button to receive notifications of interesting videos from Fitness 24H. And in today's video, I'm going to bring you a very interesting workout list that includes jumping rope along with other exercises that help us both burn fat more effectively and help our body work better. Affects more parts of the body. First, I will show you detailed instructions on how to do the jumping rope exercise before we get into the actual practice time. First, choose a sturdy jump rope with a length appropriate to your height so that no injuries can occur during practice. Next, the jumping rope exercise will be performed in a space large enough to practice and has a flat surface. Choose a space without any obstacles that may appear while you practice. While practicing, wear a pair of shoes with a sturdy grip that protects your ankles. They can protect your feet during the jumping rope process. And let's try performing a proper jumping rope position together to ensure the effectiveness of this exercise. First, you need to hold the two ends of the rope with both hands at hip height, elbows slightly bent, and placed at a comfortable distance. I recommend placing your biceps close to your body and your forearms apart. Outside, place your legs close together and always keep your back straight during the exercise. Jump up about 2.5 to 5 centimeters above the floor to create enough distance to get the rope across. At the same time, you need to rotate your wrist and hold the rope firmly to rotate the rope in a curved path. We will adjust the rope with our wrists, not our arms. Remember to always keep your elbows close to your body while practicing. We will maintain the practice position for 30 seconds. I have a few small notes for you while practicing. Be very careful so we don't stumble during practice. If you stumble or have difficulty breathing, immediately stop the exercise and rest a bit. And let's start with today's exercise. 30 seconds. Jump rope. Let's gain momentum and start doing this exercise. Please do this at a reasonable speed when you first start with this jumping rope exercise. After we gradually get used to this exercise, you can speed up this exercise to achieve greater effectiveness. You can feel your body begin to fluctuate during your first workout. 30 seconds jumping jack. We will continue to alternate with the jumping jack exercise. Jumping jack is also an exercise that is very familiar to us, right? We just need to jump up, spread our legs wide, raise our arms to the sky, and return to the original position to continue jumping. You are doing very well with this exercise. 30 seconds jump rope. Return to continue with the jumping rope exercise. This exercise seems to bring us a lot of energy and excitement while practicing, right? Feel the movement of the leg and wrist joints so that our whole body is connected and completes this exercise in the best way. This is also a way to help you improve the flexibility of your leg and arm joints. 30 seconds, high knees run. For the next 30 seconds, let's do the high knees run exercise together. This exercise is performed by running and lifting the thighs high so that the knees are level with the hips. The knees form a 90-degree angle. From this running exercise, you can feel more movement in the knee area to perform jumping rope better. 30 seconds. Jump rope. Jump rope is back. Now feel the movement of your knee. Is it true that the knee joints are more flexible and smoother than before? In this way, we will activate the entire lower body, helping all the inner thigh and calf fat to be burned at the same time. 30 seconds butt kickers. Butt kickers will be a test to see if your knee joint is working in the best position or not, and how you feel about the movement in your knee joint. Can you easily bend your knees all the way and touch your heels to your buttocks? If you have completed it well, then congratulations! Your entire lower body has been activated in the best condition. "30 seconds, jump rope. Let's continue with the jumping rope exercise. You're doing a great job with today's workout. Let's turn on some exciting music and join me in practicing effectively. I will be really happy if you like today's exercises. You can do this exercise every morning to start a day full of energy. 30 seconds, push-ups. Push-ups is also one of the exercises that requires extremely effective coordination of arms and legs. If the jump rope exercise can only activate your forearms and wrists, the push-ups exercise will help us activate more of the biceps in this exercise. While doing push-ups, remember to always tighten your abdominal muscles so that the exercise can maximize its effectiveness. 30 seconds, jump rope. Can you feel the energy going throughout your body? Please continue to pay attention to the state of your upper body. As I said before, we must always keep our back straight during exercise. Always keeping this state will help you have a perfect skeleton, shape your body, and avoid diseases or joint pain. 30 seconds, air squat. Together we will check if your back is in a straight state with the air squat exercise. We need to stand straight, legs wide open and back straight. Then you just need to lower your hips low, and at the same time bring your arms forward in parallel. But always keep your back straight. The upper body can lean slightly forward, but the back should never be bent. Air squat is also one of the exercises that helps us stimulate more movement in your hips. 30 seconds, jump rope. We're almost at the end of practice today. You are excellent. I believe that your body will have many positive changes in health and appearance if you can consistently do this exercise. Jump rope is an exercise that helps the human body become more flexible. It will be your foundation and support you a lot when you want to perform exercises with higher training difficulty. 30 seconds, lunges. After a period of jumping, join me in doing a lunge exercise to lower your body's center of gravity. This can help you move more flexibly in the hips of your body. Besides, lunge exercises will help you balance your body better. You just need to lower your body while bringing one leg forward to bend at a 90-degree angle. The other leg is bent at the knee, so that the entire lower leg is parallel to the floor. Between the legs, form a rectangle. So you can complete this balance exercise. "30 seconds, jump rope. Besides, our bodies always need to be flexible in changing their dynamic and static states in many situations in life. Combining lunge and jump rope exercises will help you know how to perform this exercise correctly. Now you can perform the jump rope exercise perfectly, and your body is also activated at the highest level. 30 seconds, jumping jack. Let's do the jumping jack exercise again. Through today's video, I also want you to know that combining a variety of exercises will help us more during the training process. We need to work on the whole body to have a perfect and toned body from head to toe. 30 seconds jump rope. And the last 30 seconds to do the jump rope exercise today. For those who are just starting to practice, I think today's exercise will be very suitable for you. You can increase your training level in the following days and learn other jumping rope exercises. And I will definitely bring you exercise variations in future videos, so stay tuned for me. And we have officially ended practice today. How do you feel about the exercises I bring to you today? Please comment below to let me know. In addition to losing weight and improving health, jumping rope also has many effects in improving bones and joints as well as reducing stress. This is an exercise you can do easily without going to the gym. Because of the nature of continuous activity in a short period of time, this is one of the exercises that coaches prioritize in weight loss exercise lists. I hope you will really enjoy this exercise. Finally, please press the like and subscribe button to receive notifications of interesting videos from Fitness 24H. I'm happy to accompany you in the process of personal change. And now, goodbye and see you again.